black lipstick is wrong or a purple lipstick is wrong. Can I just like convert it into something that would also fetch me some money? It would fetch me some respect in the society, and I would enjoy doing it.
I think it reflects a lot about your personality and who you are as a person.
Yes, but the important part here is uplifting the beauty. It's not changing your beauty, it's not changing the standards of your beauty, it is not defining how beautiful you are. It is only enhancing what features have been given to you by the grace of God. Firstly, please accept howsoever you are. You have beautiful eyes, you have a beautiful skin tone, you have beautiful features. There is nothing wrong with you. It's only about enhancing what already exists. So if you're feeling low, if you're feeling like not good about what you're doing, find motivation. Find something or someone that motivates you to do what you want to do. It's high time that we convert our passion into our careers.
Get ready for a beauty boost of confidence and inspiration. Welcome to Femme Forward, where we're painting a new picture of female empowerment, one brushstroke at a time. Today, we're sitting down with a makeup maestro who's not just beautifying faces, but also uplifting spirits. Let's get the conversation started with the very famous and renowned makeup artist, Ms. Shrishti Jain Chenwankar. Hello, Shrishti, how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you so much.
And makeup is looking so nice.
Thank you, it means a lot to me. You look gorgeous.
Thank you so much. I mean, carrying this kind of makeup on a white attire. So, can you give us some tips on that?
So one tip I always tell everyone, whenever you're wearing white and you have makeup on you, please apply some tissues all around your neck, because
Yeah.
by the time you reach where you're going, you'll have makeup all over your neckline, which is not nice. So yeah, I've been sitting with tissues before this. Just remove them. So yeah, that's one thing that you can follow.
And how long do you take to do your, basic party makeup?
So I obviously have days and moods. I mean, I can go anywhere from 15 minutes to 2 hours. And when I feel like going like all in, it takes me a minimum of at least 2 hours, 1 hour, 45, 50 minutes. And if I'm in a hurry, I have a quick fix. So 15 minutes is good for me.
15 minutes?
Yes.
That includes?
That includes basic moisturization, a little foundation, a good mascara to give that lift to my eyes, and eyebrows is important, and a little lip color.
Right.
And if it's winters, a dark blush. If it's summers, a light blush, and I'm good to go.
Right. Yeah. So, when did you realize that you want to become a makeup artist? What inspired you?
Right. It's a funny story because it's a very genuine story as well. So when I got married and my parents booked a makeup artist for me for my special day, I remember she coming in with this huge vanity, and she had like hundreds of products in it. And that really fascinated me. And I was like, I really want to have so many products. But what would you do with so many products? I mean, you only need something that suits your skin or that's for you. So I can't have so many of them. And that's when I asked her, she said, I'm a holder for makeup. I said, so am I. So she said, why don't you become a makeup artist?
Right.
And I said, that's a good idea. That really looks like a good idea. And that's when I thought that, दो काम एक साथ हो रहे हैं. One is that I'm being able to purchase makeup and able to explore in this field. So, that curiosity is going from there. और दूसरी चीज़, making somebody's day special and being there for them and being able to give them, a little happiness in that day was something that really excited me.
Right.
So I was like, wedding business is nice.
Yeah.
And let's get into this, meet new people. I'm a social birdie, so I love meeting new people. I said, what better way, to go about it? So that's how the idea of becoming a makeup artist kind of got into me. And that's how I started my journey.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just like on your wedding day,
Yeah.
this person suggested you
Yeah.
and you actually connected to the
Yeah.
idea.
I look beautiful on my wedding day.
Yeah.
So I thought, why not also, give this happiness to like more people. And जो मेरा शौक है कि मुझे मेकअप से खेलना है, वो भी पूरा हो रहा है. So I just converted my passion into my career.
That's the best thing to do.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
how many years has it been?
It's been almost 8 years now that I've been doing this and I've been taking this journey. And with lots of ups and downs, I am blessed to be where I am today. So yeah, it's been one hell of a ride.
So, in makeup, I'm assuming the trends keep changing. So, how do you keep up with that?
So honestly, keeping up with trends is difficult. Why lie? Because trends are changing every day. Makeup is changing every day. And makeup is not like right or wrong. There is no right or wrong in makeup. It's all about what you like, what you can carry, and what gives you confidence. So जहाँ तक trends का है, of course, keeping up with what's happening in the market is important because otherwise, how will I cater to my client?
Right.
But with that said, I also keep the authenticity of my makeup and I make sure that I have a communication with my client कि trend तो ठीक है, but maybe for you, this is better.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to make that space for people where they understand that not because it's good for you, it's good for me, but because it's good for me, it's good for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember there was this time when a purple lipstick was become
Uh-huh.
very trendy.
Yeah.
And everybody was like, I want to try it too, but not
Right.
everybody was able to carry that look.
Correct.
So I think that's what you mean.
Yeah.
That we cannot always
Yeah.
be a part of that trend as
Correct.
much as we want to.
As far as you can carry it, why not? You can carry a purple lipstick to office. Be my guest. I mean, I'm all about having makeup in a positive light.
Right.
So there is nothing that I can tell you that a black lipstick is wrong or a purple lipstick is wrong. But if you can carry it, why not?
I think it reflects a lot about your personality and who you are as a person.
Yes. Yes, it does. It definitely does. There is something known as very minimalistic makeup. There is something known as a bold makeup. And we generally resonate our makeup with our personalities. You know, somebody who's a little introvert, little subtle, they would generally, out of my experience, of course, they would generally be the ones asking me for a very minimalistic look, you know, like a no makeup look.
Ah.
But someone like me, I'm a bold personality and I love, you know, that everything that I have should be visible and I should be, you know, able to connect with my audience. So a bold makeup works for me. So a lot of people like me who are out there, they're like, no, you know, put everything that's in your vanity. So I'm like, why not? As far as you understand who you are and what you're reflecting, you're good to go, I feel.
ये नो मेकअप लुक ये क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज इट
So no makeup look is generally also called the ad makeup, as we say. If you see a lot of Pond's ads and you see a lot of Santoor ads, or you see a lot of skincare ads also, they want to kind of tell you that your skin is flawless. So we can't really have harsh lines of makeup on our face. We can't have bold eyes. We can't have red lips. So a no makeup look is just another word for a very minimalistic, subtle look that is just kind of rectifying any flaws if you have on your skin. At the same time, not layering it up so that it doesn't look as if a makeup has been done. But it does require a lot of products and effort at the same time. Yeah.
So do you believe in post makeup skincare also?
Oh, definitely. I'm so glad that you asked this question because this is a very important topic. I always tell everyone as important as it is to apply makeup, it is also very important to remove it
Yeah.
and in the correct manner.
Right.
आई रिमेम्बर एक टाइम आया था बीच में जहाँ पे ये था कि मैं मेकअप लगा के सो गई मुझे पिंपल्स आ गए ऑल दैट इज ट्रू एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू रिमूव दैट लेयरिंग ऑफ योर फेस बिफोर यू अगेन गेट अप टुमारो मॉर्निंग ना व्हाट हैपेंस जब हम सोते हैं our entire body takes that time to replenish.
Right.
It rejuvenates every cell in our body and you don't want to look dead the next morning. सो मेकअप आपने लगाया, आपने पहना भी 19 आवर्स आजकल तो मेकअप प्रोमिसेस यू लॉन्ग लास्टिंग आवर्स ऑफ स्टे. सो इफ इट इज स्टक ऑन योर स्किन फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम तो उसको हटाना भी पड़ेगा बिकॉज हाउ विल यू क्लीन योर पोर्स अदरवाइज. सो अ गुड मेकअप वाइप, a good cleansing balm or a micellar water is as important as applying a good foundation or a good makeup on your face.
तो अगर हम सिर्फ फेस वॉश करके सो जाए दैट वोंट हेल्प?
So I'll tell you why face wash doesn't help is because आजकल makeup promises you waterproof makeup.
Okay.
Now, what is waterproof makeup? Something that cannot be removed with water.
Right.
Right? It's a sweat-proof makeup. So that means if water droplets in that foundation or that layering is not going away. So you need proper products that can help you remove that makeup off your face. Otherwise, how will this work? Like suppose you're applying makeup and you kind of want to wash your face off, but your makeup is not going, तो फिर वो रात में कैसे जाएगा? So you need to cleanse it out. Deep cleansing, twice cleansing, apply some good moisturizer so that it also replenishes what has been lost.
Right.
So that's very important.
And what about right before starting the makeup?
Again, before starting the makeup, also I say face wash is a must. Again, because you've been sleeping all night, there are dead cells on your pillow, on your sheets, on your face. So you clean your face, a good CTM, that's how we say. It's called cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. So you cleanse your face, you have a good toner that helps you soothe your pores if you have any on your face. And then a good moisturizer. It leaves you with a nice supple skin. So your makeup is as good as your skin is. I always say I'm a magician. I'm not a magician, I'm a makeup artist.
Course.
So yeah.
And this is one of my personal questions that suppose you've applied the foundation, should we let it stay for a while before applying the next product or how?
Right. So makeup is all about technique, that's for sure. As far as you are applying the foundation after it has been charged on your palette. Now, by charging, I mean if you just squeeze out the foundation directly on your skin and you apply,
Okay.
it's way more cakey. It's not blendable. And it's very difficult to get rid of those lines. मतलब अगर एक केकी मेकअप पे मैं ब्लश लगाऊंगी, मैं कॉन्टोरिंग लगाऊंगी, वो हार्श लाइंस दिखेंगे.
Right.
So, if you are a person who does not know how to charge a foundation and you're directly applying, so maybe blend it out, let it sit for some time. You will see some cracks on your face because वो absorb करेगा. See, skin is porous, right? आप कुछ भी स्किन पे लगाओगे वो absorb करेगा, चाहे वो क्रीम है चाहे फाउंडेशन है. सो या तो आप पैलेट पे फाउंडेशन लेके उसे अच्छे से ब्रश से चार्ज करें
Okay.
एंड देन पुट इट ऑन योर फेस, इट विल गिव यू अ मोर ब्लेंडेड इफेक्ट. या फिर अगर आप डायरेक्टली बॉटल से लगा रहे हैं तो लेट इट सिट ऑन योर स्किन फॉर सम टाइम सो दैट यू कैन सी कि कौन सा एरिया मेरे फेस का है जिसने ज्यादा अब्जॉर्ब कर लिया है. फॉर दैट सीमलेस ब्लेंडिंग then you can apply another layer to that area and then blend it out.
That's a very good tip that you've
Yeah.
given me because I was making a huge mistake until now, I believe.
Uh-huh.
Because I was directly using it from the bottle and applying.
So good makeup lies between these little tips and tricks,
Yes.
beach mein. So yeah.
So Shrishti, as a makeup artist, you have the power to transform not just the faces, but also the, the minds and attitudes of people.
Right.
So how do you think you can empower women to take control of their own beauty and confidence?
Right. So there was a time, makeup has been around us for many, many years.
Yeah.
There has not been an era that I can say that did not have makeup to uplift your beauty. But the important part here is uplifting the beauty. It's not changing your beauty. It's not changing the standards of your beauty. It is not defining how beautiful you are. It is only enhancing what features have been given to you by the grace of God. So, what I tell people around me is that firstly, please accept howsoever you are. You have beautiful eyes, you have a beautiful skin tone, you have beautiful features. There is nothing wrong with you. It's only about enhancing what already exists. So, that's something I feel that women need to understand. And I try and do my bit to make them understand that please do not fall in this trap of A is beautiful and B is not beautiful, right? It's just about how you are and how I could make it better.
Right.
It's not about changing yourself. So when somebody comes to me, and there have been times where people come up to me and they're like, they bring a picture and they're like, okay, can you make me like this? And I'm like, that's the whole point about makeup. I don't have to make you like that. You don't have to look like that. You have to look like you. I can definitely glamorize you, and you'd be shocked to see how beautiful you would look. So it's a change in mindset before you actually, talk about the change in makeup that you're doing. That's all that we need today.
You know what, I remember इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत फनी रील्स आने लग गई थी कि मेकअप से एक लड़की को ऐश्वर्या राय का लुक दे दिया
Right?
या किसी बहुत बड़ी सेलिब्रिटी का लुक दे दिया.
Right. Right.
I didn't quite really enjoy looking at those videos. I was like, this is funny. Why do
Right.
people want to become somebody else? Why can't they embrace their own unique?
Right. That's what we say, that the question is why.
Why?
And the question only lies here because people don't spend that much time thinking about कि हम में कुछ भी खराबी नहीं है.
Hmm.
It's easier for them to sit in front of a mirror and be like, oh, this is wrong. Oh, this is a flaw. Oh, that's bad. I'm not saying that there are no flaws on your skin. I'm a makeup artist. It is my job to be honest with you. You will have pigmentations. People will have pimples. You will have freckles. You will have marks. Of course, you can hide them.
Yeah.
ठीक है? But also nowadays the trend is that why hide your flaws? And there's nothing wrong in it. Again, I come back to the same point as far as you're comfortable with it.
Yeah.
Suppose I'm a person who's not comfortable with freckles on my face, I would definitely figure out a way to hide them. But if you're a person who's gracefully accepting them, why do you need it? You don't need it.
Yeah. So, in a way, your profession is also all about empowering women to have the courage and
Yeah.
not the courage, the confidence
Yeah.
to be out and about.
Yeah.
So, can you tell us about a moment when you felt empowered in your profession?
So when I started this journey, I honestly started thinking that what am I going to do sitting at home? You know, like really, I do not want to sit at home. There's no harm in sitting at home. I have utmost respect for people who are homemakers and who spend their entire time with family and kids. I was a person who resonated more with the social world. And I thought that if I have a talent, can I just like convert it into something that would also fetch me some money? It would fetch me some respect in the society, and I would enjoy doing it. So, moments of motivation really empower me. Motivation is a very big aspect of where I am today. And I feel that when my family supports me, when my husband got up one day and he was so happy with the idea of me wanting to do something, he did not even ask me like what I want to do. Like the moment I said that, okay, there's something that I want to do, I feel like doing. And he's like, why not? So motivation is my word, I would say. Family is my strength. And every time I get maybe awarded or somebody kind of, resonates with the work that I'm doing, that gives me like a boost.
Right.
And that makes me feel, okay, कुछ तो मैं ठीक ही कर रही हूँ, and I think मुझे करते रहना चाहिए.
Yeah.
So if you're feeling low, if you're feeling like not good about what you're doing, find motivation.
Right.
Find something or someone that motivates you to do what you want to do. It's high time that we convert our passion into our careers. Just because you want to do something, you can do it. That's my whole point. I wanted to just buy a product. I wanted to buy 100 products. So I'm like, oh, what can I do? I want to become a makeup artist. Get out, become one.
Yeah. And when you're passionate about something, now
Yeah.
you automatically work very hard for it
Yes.
because the drive comes from within.
Yeah. As females, if we are stuck on doing something, there's nobody who can do it better than us.
Yeah.
It's all about how stuck are you. So it's all about pushing yourself and telling yourself that, okay, I can do it. I will do it. And आप start करके देखो and you will be surprised
Or what is the.
of what is the outcome and where you can reach. Yeah.
So it's been 8 years. Do you remember your first client?
Yes, of course. I always say firsts are always special. I still remember my first bride. I went all the way to Faridabad. She had contacted me through my profile on, one of the sites where I had registered. And I think it was the happiest moment. I still remember we had a pizza party at home that day. Because, what happens when you get a first client? It just, again, it gives you that reassurance that I got out to do something and see somebody is coming back with me, coming back to me for my services. तो वो जो एक आपने स्टार्ट किया होता है ना, एक हिचक से स्टार्ट किया होता है कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, करूँगी तो होगा कि नहीं, नहीं होगा. That just kind of gets a closure that day. The first client, you get that closure and you get that boost that no. Today, if I can get one client, I'm sure I can do better in the coming years, and one can turn into 100 in no time. So, firsts are always special, be it anything. Yeah.
I'm sure she's listening to it too.
I'm sure, like, I really love her, and she knows who I'm talking about. And yeah, she was special. You were very special to me. So, yeah.
So, were there any clients who gave you a hard time as well?
See, it's all about a journey. It's just like how life treats you. There aren't any 2 days that are same. So, some of the clients are difficult, some situations are tough, sometimes we are in the wrongdoing. So, it's really an amalgamation of everything, I would say. Some clients have a motive to trouble you, some clients don't have a motive, but situation just arises so that you're kind of stuck in a position and you're troubled. Sometimes you get stuck. So बहुत सी चीजें होती हैं. Like for example, especially when we take outstation brides, Now, what happened the first time when I traveled, I realized कि मेरे products टूट गए.
Oh.
Right? I did not know. I did not know that, okay, I'm supposed to be extremely careful. I'm not supposed to check in everything. I'm not supposed to take everything also. Now, I reached the venue and I opened my bag and 4 foundations and all my color is mixed up. So, I'm like, okay, now I don't know what to do. Also, we misplaced a bag. So, my bag of brush was not there with me. But what you do in something like that? As far as you have studied well and you know the basics of what you're doing, you can turn the game around, right? I remember I did that entire makeup with just a beauty blender because I did not have any brush on my hands. I use my hands. I till date tell my people, and I also educated people after that कि मतलब brush नहीं है कोई बात नहीं, hands is the best tool because I learned it in the journey. I knew color theory as a part of my study, so I could mix that mixed foundation. Obviously, not the one that was broken, and जो मेरे पास था proper. You can't use unhygienic products on people. You can't just use if something is spilled. It's spoiled now. It's gone. So whatever was left with me, like it's a little secret I'm going to reveal today, but I don't want people judging me. But there are times that you have to mix a foundation and a compact powder to get you the perfect shade. Like it isn't anything wrong that we are doing, of course, but that's just how you have to cater to the client. You're in a hospitality business. You're standing in front of a client who only has that moment. But I can't tell the bride ki shadi kal kar lena. You know, I can't tell her that. And I also can't tell her to panic because she's already on like the highest of her anxiety. So we have to work around it. And that's how we did. And I think that was by far one of my best makeups because with anxiety where I did it and it turned out to be so nice. And later I told her also, I said, this is what I did for you. And I think she follows this tip till date for herself.
Yeah.
So it's again about not right or wrong. It's just about what's working for you.
This is a very interesting story, and it shows how well equipped you are with the knowledge of your profession.
I always wanted to study well before I got down in the
Yeah.
market because I wanted to not last for a very small time. I wanted to last long, make a difference, and do something for myself. So, yeah.
Because when you were telling the story, मेरे दिमाग में पहली चीज ये आई, सारे प्रोडक्ट्स फिर से खरीद लिए मार्केट में.
I obviously had to refill them. But उस समय क्या करो? Like you're traveling to a place, like maybe जहाँ पे Asians भी available हैं, mall नहीं है, you might not have that brand with you.
Yeah.
So I also learned one more thing from that. It always carry something extra with you. अगर ब्लंडर हो जाता है तो कोई आप ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स अपने बनाएं और अपने पास रखें जिनसे आप you can work around them. So falling into a problem is not the problem. Not being able to get out of a problem is a problem. So
Right. So, Shishti, it's only recently that the makeup industry has boomed so much because at one point of time, hiring a makeup artist was a huge luxury to afford.
right.
But now it's become so common. So, what is the reason behind this change?
I feel our social platforms have played a very important role in this. The idea of internet and a phone is so easily deliverable in houses today to kids today that the passion has driven. It's more passion driven generation, I would say. सो जो चीज़ कहते हैं ना जैसे आउट ऑफ साइट आउट ऑफ माइंड बोलते हैं वैसे ही हम बोलते हैं कि जो चीज़ जितनी दिखेगी वही बिकेगी इट्स लाइक दैट सो now with the social platform, with the beauty industry booming up, with the makeup industry booming up, everything has helped each other. It's like a vicious circle. More marketing, more people to use it, more people to use it, more marketing, and it's just a vicious circle in which this industry just boomed up. And opportunities have opened up so much. पहले क्या होता था? Like I remember our parents' time, there's a salon, we'd go, we'll book there, then they'll just get ready and
Yeah.
come. Because of this freelancer word now, it is so approachable and it is so easy to promise a client that I am here for your comfort. That is something that has also helped this industry pick up a lot because a freelancer makeup would just tell you that okay, you just आप मुझे venue बता दो, मैं अपनी टीम लेके आपके venue पे आ जाऊंगी.
Right.
So that easybility of communication has just bridged the gap so much कि now it has become easier for people to fall into this कि अच्छा, you know what, let's just do some freelancing job. Let's just do this beauty job. Let's do this makeup job. Because वो easy हो गया है. But at the same time, I also say that study is still required. You still need to study very hard. You need to practice a lot, and then get out in the market. Because, when you get out unprepared, that only demotivates you. And I do not wish anybody to have a reason to get demotivated. There is no reason. But अगर आप पूरे prepare होके निकलते हो market में, you study the market properly, I think you can do a fabulous job. And because of social media apps, that study has also become easier.
Easier.
People are learning a lot of trends from the apps. People are learning everything from YouTube and Instagram. तो वो थोड़ा सा bridge the gap हो गया है. The gap has been bridged.
And it's only this knowledge which can help you in situations of crisis.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what would you do?
Yeah. See, again, now Instagram will only show you the front part of everything, that everything's nice, my bride looks so beautiful, it's a nice reel of 30 seconds. But what goes behind that, that is something you learn with experience and you learn with good study. That day, if I had not studied
Yeah.
my color theory properly, I would not know what to do. As I always say, every color is beautiful, but somebody, say, suppose is dusky, I can't use a fair complexion foundation on them. Now, what do I do? Neither can I make them look like another person on their wedding day. So, if I don't have that study, because I graduated as a designer, my bachelor's degree is in designing, so that really helped me that day.
Yeah.
And of course, my makeup theories as well. But I realized that, coming from a well studied background really saved me that day.
Makeup is an art. It took me a lot of years to finally realize which foundation is for my skin.
Yeah, yeah,
Which brand, what color,
yeah, yeah.
how much should I take,
Yes.
and how should I blend it.
See, it's like all maths, It's just like how you're cooking. If you're cooking, you have to have everything in proportion. You can't have like, okay, ek katori namak dal denge and then, like itna sa we put like mirchi. It's not like that, no? You have to understand your skin very nicely. You have to understand your undertones, what undertone you have, what are the problems that you have, something that irritates you, something that doesn't suit well with you. ये सारी चीजें समझ के if you get out and then you do a makeup, that's the difference when somebody tells you that, oh, your makeup looks flawless, or your makeup looks very well blend.
Yeah.
That's because I've spent years to understand what is working for me, not because it's working for you. So that's important.
Yeah. Can you tell us about some of the struggles in your initial years?
So, one thing I really struggled with was to understand maybe the timing of my profession. I struggled because I realized that, we all have that little habit of being late. कि ठीक है, okay, somebody's called you at 4 o'clock, तो ठीक है, 4:30 तक भी पहुँच सकते हैं, and 5 भी चलेगा. It's like that. But I realized that when you reach a destination for a wedding and you meet the bride, she's super nervous. She is full of anxiety, she's full of stress. घर वाले भी बहुत pressure दे रहे होते हैं. I realized, I said, maybe it's a good idea to reach 1 hour before, have a conversation with the client, ease her down, calm her down, put her like a nice face pack, make her sit down, rub her eyes with ice, thoda sa calm her down. And that's when I, started doing my makeup. And you'd be surprised to know I saw a difference in my makeup. Somebody who's very tensed and I'm doing a quick makeup क्योंकि मैं लेट पहुंची हूँ, उस मेकअप में और एक उस मेकअप में जहाँ मैंने क्लाइंट को पहले कंफर्टेबल करा है, उसमें इतना फर्क था. कर तो मैं ही रही थी,
Right.
but it did not occur to me initially. The other struggle I had was with keeping up with the vanity then. समझ नहीं आता था, something is getting over very quickly.
Yeah.
समथिंग इज एक्सपायरिंग, वो यूज ही नहीं हो रहा. बट वो इनिशियली एक था कि हाँ, अच्छा 4 लाख की वैनिटी बनानी है, 5 लाख की वैनिटी बनानी है. ओवर द इयर्स आई रियलाइज इट्स नॉट अबाउट द मनी, इट्स नॉट अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट्स, इट्स ऑल अबाउट व्हाट यू नीड. I can help people make a 1,500 rupee vanity to a 5 lakh vanity today. और आपका काम फिर भी हो जाएगा। सो आई रियलाइज दैट इट इज़ नॉट सो मच अबाउट द ब्रांड कि जस्ट बिकॉज़ एक 4000 की फाउंडेशन है तो वो होनी चाहिए मेरे वैनिटी में। अब वो यूज़ ही नहीं हुई, साल भर के बाद वो एक्सपायर हो गई, मैंने फेंक दी। Whereas I realized that okay, in the Indian market, I feel like वो 750 वाली जो vanity, sorry जो foundation है, that's working better.
Hmm.
People are asking for it. So I could buy 4 of these. So that was a struggle I did. I threw away a lot of products, expensive products. And वो थोड़ा सा मेरे को, it took me some time to reach a point to get over the brand value and understand the product. So yeah,
This comes only with practice.
yeah, this comes with experience. This comes with when your pockets are empty. So, yeah, this is something I learned in the journey. Even today, I say that some people ask me, what's your favorite brand? And I always tell them that, of course, I have my favorites. There is no doubt about it. But 90% of the time, I'm focusing not on the brand, but on the product. You can have a good product from a different brand of a foundation. You can have a different product of a loose powder from a different brand. So, ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही ब्रांड अच्छा है तो सारी चीज़ें आप उसकी खरीद लो।
I think it's more about what is suiting your skin.
Yeah. What works for you?
What works.
Yeah, that's right.
So Shrishti, आज से 8 साल पहले when you were just starting out, did you find it difficult to get clients? Or
It was very difficult. This is the harsh reality of this industry. जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था तो मैंने ये सोचा था ऑनेस्टली घर पे बैठ के कि यार हर मतलब उस समय नहीं थे इतने फिर भी बिकॉज माई इंक्लिनेशन वॉज टूवर्ड्स दिस इंडस्ट्री मुझे लगता था हर कोई मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है सो आई एम लाइक मैं भी बन जाऊंगी तो मैं कहाँ जाऊंगी यू नो लाइक आई फेल लाइक देयर इज नो प्लेस फॉर मी इन दिस इंडस्ट्री एंड हर किसी को शुरुआत करते हुए ये लगता है कि अच्छा आई शुड हैव कॉन्टैक्ट्स हाँ तब बनूंगी मैं या आई शुड नो सम एजेंसी में तब बनूंगी and I did not have any at that point of time and also I did not explore any to be very honest खोजती तो शायद मिल भी जाते but I was just not driven like that I was like I want to do something मुझे करना मुझे अपने आप से करना है like I don't want to ask for help
हाँ.
so when I started I figured out कि ये एक प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग यू नो पीपल हु वर सिटिंग इन दिस इंडस्ट्री जो ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छा कर रहे थे इस इंडस्ट्री में आई यूज टू फील कि मैं इनको टक्कर नहीं दे पाऊंगी एंड दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट ब्लंडर आई यूज टू मेक इन माई माइंड द डे आई चेंज माई थॉट प्रोसेस एंड आई एम लाइक अरे वो जो क्लाइंट्स यू नो दे आर पिकिंग अप द क्लाइंट्स वो जो क्लाइंट्स लेके आ रहे हैं लेट मी फिगर आउट अ डिफरेंट कैटेगरी
Right.
let me maybe shift to you know people who are not being able to reach to them you know they were already doing very well in the industry their fees was very high they were charging a lot of money they had a lot of tantrums so I thought why not offer hospitality to people why not offer like a minimum amount and I'll come to you because I was like मुझे भी काम मिलेगा मेरी practice भी होगी and उनका भी काम होगा so I started with this idea कि let me just be a little more humble. Let me not focus only on the money part for now. Let me just go and make their day beautiful. ऐसे शुरू करते हैं. And that's how it started. But हाँ, शुरुआत में for sure you can get very demotivated thinking कि मेरे पास आ नहीं रहा कोई. Try your best. Call people. जहाँ आप रहते हो वहाँ बात फैलाओ कि you know I've just become a makeup artist. Make some pamphlets for yourself. Drop it. Give it to the newspaper वाले भैया. He'll drop it in people's homes. जब आप एक्सप्लोर करना चाहोगे you'll figure out a way. Where there is a will, there will be a way.
Yeah.
So that was one mistake I made, which I always tell people कि वो घबराहट होगी आपको होनी भी चाहिए because that will drive you. But I think you will sail through as well. So yeah, tough तो था, but
You made it.
yeah, we figured our way out. Yeah.
I think it happens. In the beginning, we're underconfident, we're anxious, we have
Yeah.
apprehensions कि क्या होगा, हम अपना time waste तो नहीं कर रहे.
Definitely.
It's again all about the will and the
Yeah.
hard work.
Yes.
And I think you've done amazing work.
Thank you so much.
I'm really looking forward कि एक दिन I'm gonna get my makeup done by you.
कल ही लो आप.
Because honestly, I checked your page and I'm a fan of your work.
I'll thank you so much.
Each look on your page is so unique in its own way.
Thank you.
And it's amazing.
See, it means a lot to us. Like,
Yeah.
you know, your words motivate me to do something again tomorrow. आज मैं सोचूंगी अच्छा आई एम डूइंग दिस पॉडकास्ट ब्यूटीफुल पॉडकास्ट विथ यू एंड नाउ आई एम टायर्ड बट नाउ यू मोटिवेट मी एंड आई एम लाइक ओ देयर इज समबडी आउट देयर हु इज लुकिंग एट माय वर्क
Yeah.
इज लुकिंग एट व्हाट आई एम डूइंग कल और बेटर करना है you know so thanks to platforms like you how you offer us we're able to tell our stories and you're doing a fabulous job
Thank you so much.
that is helping us also to kind of like one woman is helping the other one
Other woman.
to bring out a story
Yeah.
and that's how 10 other people 100 other people watching us would be doing the same thing so it's commendable.
Yeah. If women start supporting each other, it'll be so much easier.
Yes.
So much easier.
So much, yeah.
Especially the ones who still struggling to come out of
Yeah.
their shells.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I always say this that it's high time that women just start doing what they want to do
Yeah.
and not what they only have to. कुछ चीजें तो हैव टू है ही है वो तो करनी ही है nobody is saying that if I'm working outside it's not like I'm not looking at what's happening at my house it's not like I don't know कि ध्यान नहीं है घर में जैसे कहते हैं पर उसके साथ में also if you want to do something catch hold of maybe like your mom speak to her catch hold of your mother-in-law speak to her there will be certain things जो वो भी नहीं कर पाए होंगे अपने टाइम पे and you'll be surprised to know that they will support you.
Yeah.
10%, 20%, somebody will support you. 50%, some of you will be surprised to know कि somebody will be like, अरे 100% I'm supporting you,
True.
पर आप वो कोशिश ही नहीं करोगे
तो पता नहीं
तो पता ही नहीं चलेगा, कि who's supporting me, who's not supporting me. So if you are more close to maybe like the females of your house, you're close to the males of your house, just try and speak up a little bit. It's not that difficult, trust me. Yeah.
And it's a good thing. Our society is embracing this change and
Yeah.
moving forward with it.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. I always feel that we're doing a lot better than where our parents were,
Yeah.
where our grandparents were. And that word suppressed has been pretty much removed, from in front of or behind of the word women.
Mm.
And I think we're the people who can keep doing something like that, if you're working have more female workers with you
Right.
कुछ ऐसा काम आप शुरू करो जो आप घर से कर सकते हो ऐसे और 4 लोग पकड़ लो who are also struggling आप see every colony you see people who are homemakers also वो शाम में एक बार मिलेंगे जरूर they will have a kitty or they will have a place where they will chill together and be together chota mota could start from home. Somebody's making namkeen at home, somebody's making papad, somebody has some quality. Just start something. When I was in Mumbai, I remember those days. I used to see so many women who were collaborating and working with the dabba walas of Mumbai
Yeah.
because they were like, खाना तो हम रोज ही बनाते हैं.
Might as well monetize it.
Right? 2 डब्बे तो हम बना ही रहे हैं for morning for the child and for the husband. So why can I not make 5 more? So I had a neighbor. She said, okay, I'm going to make like 5 dabbas every day and I'm going to earn money out of it. Slowly and gradually she realized कि मैं अकेले तक खाना नहीं बना सकती. So she hired a house help.
Right.
So that female got work again. Then वो 5 डब्बा का 10 हुआ, 10 का 20 हुआ, वो 1 house help का 4 house help हुआ. So you see, one female started with something she wanted to do,
And that
giving employment to
Mm.
5 more people. So
makes sense.
it's that easy.
Yeah.
Because she just wanted to do something. She's like, खाना तो मैं बना ही रही हूँ. I might as well do something about it. That's how it works.
Okay. So moving on to some fun questions now.
Yeah.
Have you ever done makeup for a boy?
Yes, of course. During my learning days, we had learned boys' makeup, groom's makeup. I used to work in the industry as well. So guys definitely need a touch up. Why not? अरे लड़के भी सुंदर लगने चाहिए. मतलब सुंदर वैसे भी हैं, but everybody needs a little touch up on their days. Boys' makeup is a little different from females, of course. It's not that kicked up. इतने सारे products नहीं लगते हैं. बस थोड़ा बहुत like if you have a beard, we just touch up that little black portion. हेयर सेटिंग हो गया थोड़े से आईब्रोज फिल हो गए सम पीपल हैव अंडर आईज तो हम वी गेट रिड ऑफ देम आल्सो इट लुक्स नाइस इन द पिक्चर बट नाउडेज आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ मेन और लॉट ऑफ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ वाइट कास्ट मेकअप फॉर मेन वो दुल्हन से ज्यादा गोरे लग रहे होते हैं
Yeah.
वो भी मत करो प्लीज बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट
Artificial.
yeah it looks very bad and that's not how it should be done आजकल देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन समबडी कॉल्ड मी एंड दे वर लाइक आप हमें ना एक ग्रुप पैकेज बता दो तो आई थॉट कि ग्रुप पैकेजेस bride's mother, sister,
Yeah.
someone like that. She said, "Nahi, I need a makeup for me and the groom." So I said, "Okay, I'll tell you the package." We told her the package and everything was fine. When I reached to the destination, I took out two products from my vanity and I went to the groom's room to get him ready. And she's like, "नहीं, हमने तो आपको पेमेंट पूरी करी है." And I said, "नहीं, मैं मेकअप ही करने जा रही हूँ. Don't worry." She's like, "but आप ये पूरी vanity क्यों नहीं ले जा रहे? You will require everything." I said, "No, your groom doesn't need everything. He doesn't need a foundation and so much loose powder and eyeshadow, lipstick. He doesn't need it." So I saw that confusion in her eyes because she did not understand ki acha then what is a groom's makeup. So I said, you wait for 10 minutes and then you see. So when he came out, he's like, okay, he's looking like how he is. वैसा ही लग रहा है. बस वो जो डार्क सर्कल थे वो छुप गए. फोटो अब अच्छी आएगी. बियर्ड है थोड़ी पैची है तो वो भर गई. So you should know कि कितना करना है.
Yeah.
You can't just be like, अच्छा चलो पैसे पूरे लिए हमने तो हम यही
आई शैडो भी लगा देंगे, लिपस्टिक भी लगा
Correct. I've seen people have pink lips. I'm like, no, all you need is a lip balm.
देंगे.
That's all. You don't need to.
अच्छा, they
put
apply
on-
lipsticks.
Yeah, a lot of them have pink lips now, red lips also I've seen on social media. All you need is a nice Nivea or a chapstick ताकि वो cracks जो हैं lips में वो हट जाए.
Mhm.
Again, see, it's all about उसको क्या need है. What is the need of the hour? जो उनमें flaws हैं आप वही ठीक करो बस. Just because you're a makeup artist, you don't have to become a painter.
Of course.
ठीक है आपको पेंट नहीं करना है. So that is something I really struggle with today also. I feel like holding on to people's I'm like, 2 minutes can I speak to you? But yeah, that's my aim eventually ki just to raise awareness about please do only what is needed.
Don't overdo it.
Yes, anything in excess is bad.
Yeah. What is your go-to makeup trick for a quick confidence boost?
So I love a red lipstick on the days when I don't feel like very confident or I'm like a little low. So red just kind of uplifts my mood. So I'm a very blush person as well. I love good blush on my cheeks, a red lipstick, good mascara, and yeah, that just gives me like a very good confidence when I look at myself in the mirror.
Nice.
Yeah.
And if you could do makeup for any one iconic woman, who would it be and why?
That's interesting because I have quite a few favorites, but Huda Khattan is one of my favorites, I would say. She has, brought the beauty standards at such a level from a place where women were very suppressed, I would say. So she actually made bold women looks very normal for all of us. And I idolize her for that one reason. I don't know how much can I do her makeup because she does a fabulous job, but I'd love to do makeup with her one day for sure. Yeah.
And her products are obviously very amazing.
I love her products. I love her products. I love how she showcases them. I love how much she loves her products. When she promotes something that she's launching or when she's putting it out to the world, you can see how much it means to her. And she's just one of my favorites. Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
The biggest makeup trend you're loving right now?
I love the liner of a different color and like the lipstick of a different color trend. It's really cool. Like I love ombre lips. And जब ये start हुआ था तो see this is what trends do to you. We've learned a way of doing lips. It's like the same shade of the liner and then the same lip shade. But when trends come up, you're like, oh, this also looks like really nice. Why don't we try it? And so somewhere or the other, trends also really help you to uplift your skills. So today when I go and I try different things and I see, oh, it gives a more pouty effect or it gives like a more beautiful look. So I love that trend. So I use like a dark brown lip liner. Then I would use like a lighter brown lip shade and then I would use like a pink gloss.
Okay.
So that is something that really gives that life to my lips. So yeah, I'm learning with trends also now.
There was this another trend of using two eyeliners of two different colors. Have you noticed that?
Yeah, so there are a lot of things that run on social media today, of course. And again, when we have theater, when we have say the industry, the movie industry, TV industry, Or we have some places, where you need fancy makeup or you need something like more loud and more different. Then these kinds of trends kind of creep in. Apart from this, I also say if you're comfortable carrying two eyeshadows to work, also, why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Right. Okay, this is my favorite. If you could create a custom makeup product, what would it be and what would you name it?
Okay, this is interesting. And I think about it a lot sometimes. This also comes with experience. When I hang out with my friends or I meet a lot of clients, मैं एक पैटर्न नोटिस करती हूँ उनमें. Mostly people are asking me either about how I've done my lips or they will ask me how I've done my base. These are the two things which I feel that people struggle with. तो मैं जब भी उन्हें एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ ना कि आप लिप कलर लगाने से पहले प्लीज लिप लाइनिंग करें. They kind of get a little confused because they're like lip liner is messy.
Ah.
And then they're like we can't draw properly, फिर overlining हो जाती है, बाहर चला जाता है. These are very layman terms but genuine problems of the people around us. I would love to have a lipstick that has a liner to the outline and a lip color inside, ताकि वो one swipe में लगाने में ही ना lining भी हो जाए और color भी fill हो जाए.
Perfect.
Right?
Right.
And I'd love to call it Shades of Shrishti.
Oh, nice.
Right? Because I feel that makeup is fun, but makeup is for everyone. So when I call it shades, I mean that I want to cater to every shade, every skin tone, every type. Because beauty standards, I mean, are just such a broad spectrum that I want to cover everything for everyone.
Yeah.
There should not be a single person who should feel that I don't have anything, in this brand. So I aim for shades of Shrishti one day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. Nice. Okay, the best makeup advice you've received and who was the one who gave it to you?
One of my mentors, for sure, when I was learning, she was very, very helpful when I used to like panic. And I've had my days where I've had bucket full of tears because I'm like, ye nahi ho raha mere se, like I can't do it anymore. And she was the one who taught me how to come around from a problem. Initially, as a makeup artist, you have issues with mascara, you have issues with eyeliner. Eyeliner is something I really, really struggled with. And she taught me how to work around it. So, this is one advice I kept with me forever. Not anything in particular कि अगर मैं इसमें अटकी तो ये करना है, बट ये जनरल कॉन्सेप्ट कि आप किसी भी चीज में अटके तो उसमें से निकल के कुछ करना ज़रूर है. You do not have to like throw your brush and be like, I can't do it, you know? So this is one thing that I felt that नहीं यार, कभी भी अगर मैं अटक जाऊँगी ना, so I've been taught to get out of it. अब कैसे निकले? So this is an advice I kept with me.
And who was the she, if you're comfortable to share? Can you tell us about a makeup blunder and how did you recover from it?
Yeah, it's a very interesting story and one of my favorite stories also. I love telling this to people because I feel very proud of myself. And हुआ ये था that in the initial days when I used to learn makeup, we used to call a lot of models and a lot of faces जिन पे हम practice करते थे. So उस समय तो इतनी हैबिट नहीं थी. हर रोज एक नया फेस आके आपके सामने बैठ जाता था. एंड बिगनिंग में ये लगता था कि ठीक है अपना मेकअप तो कर ही लेते हैं तो कितना कितना मुश्किल होगा सामने वाले का मेकअप करना. बट विद टाइम आई रियलाइज दैट एवरी फेस इज डिफरेंट, everybody looks different and I could not use the same techniques. So I used to struggle with eyeliner. I'm being very honest. I even struggle today sometimes. मेरे रोने भी निकल जाते हैं कभी कभी. But with time it got better. But those days I remember I had one beautiful girl. She came, she sat, I did her makeup. सब perfect हो गया. It came to the point कि अब eyeliner लगाना है. एंड मैंने eyeliner लगाया एंड शुरुआत में जब आप सीखते हो what happens आपका जो reflex action है it works according to what handed are you. I'm a right handed person, so my right side makeup would be more flawless than my left side.
Okay.
That is something you figure out when you're doing makeup for the other person.
Okay.
क्योंकि राइट हैंड से आप बचपन से लिखते हो, पेंटिंग करते हो, तो राइट हैंड बहुत अच्छे से फ्लो कर जाता है. इट जस्ट स्वेज विथ यू. जब उसी राइट हैंड से आप लेफ्ट साइड लगाने की कोशिश करते हो, दैट्स वेयर यू स्ट्रगल. सो मैंने उन्हें लाइनर लगा दिया राइट साइड, इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी वेरी नाइस। मैंने वही लाइनर लेफ्ट साइड में लगाया, इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी लिटिल मोटा। आई थॉट कि अब राइट वाले को फिक्स कर लेते हैं। फिर मैंने राइट वाले को थोड़ा-सा मोटा करा, फिर वो लेफ्ट वाले से ज़्यादा मोटा हो गया। एंड आई रियलाइज़ करते-करते आई सेड अब ये लाइनर तो नहीं रह गया। अब ये रह ही नहीं गया लाइनर।
शैडो बन गया।
I swear. That's the point. And I got stuck and I'm like, now what do I do about it? I picked up my brush and I just blended the entire black shadow and I turned it into a smoky eye.
Oh, nice.
And I did not know myself that, okay, like what have I done? Of course, I had studied how to do a smoky eye, but that was not the way to do it. But that day I realized कि ये भी एक तरीका हो सकता है करने का. To my surprise, when I put that out on my page and it was everywhere, I realized that when the clients were calling me, they were like, "We want a party makeup. Can you do that smoky eye you put on your page?" And I'm like, that was a blunder. But it turned out to be something in my favor.
Can be your own invention.
You don't teach Abri. I don't wish to teach anybody like that. But if you get stuck, this is what I did. And the pictures turned out to be amazing. The makeup look turned out to be amazing. And by far, I think it was one of the best smoky eyes I had done, you know.
Wow.
क्योंकि बाद में मैंने दोबारा से कोशिश करी कि मैं पहले ब्लंडर करूंगी फिर ठीक करूंगी, बट वो हुआ नहीं, because that's not how it works. But yeah, this is one story I keep with me forever. And I feel very proud of myself that, I did not panic. I did not throw away my brush, or I did not tell her to go wash her face. But to this, I also want to add that कई बार ऐसा होता है that you make a blunder that you cannot fix. And sometimes you should not also fix, because shortcut is not the way to go in the long run. So don't be afraid to tell your client ki, okay, I think this is wrong. Can I just remove it and do it again? So हर चीज के दो sides, you know, like I get it that you're stuck, but अगर आपसे ऐसी गलती हो जाती है जो अब आप ठीक नहीं कर सकते, and it will result in a bad outcome, don't do that.
Yeah. So that's even worse.
That's worse. Accept your mistake. Talk to the client. Tell the client that, okay, it might take me 5 extra minutes, but अगर मैं ये अभी नहीं मिटाऊंगी ना, आपकी सारी pictures खराब आएंगी. Remove it. Take a deep breath. Do it again. वो हो जाएगा.
Of course.
So it's both the things. You have to just manage where you are.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful story.
Yeah.
I think it's the highlight of this.
I love it. My favorite.
Okay, so now the most memorable makeup job that you've ever done.
My most memorable makeup job would be my first bride. I wouldn't lie, because that day I felt a sense of achievement, and I felt a sense of uh, proving to myself that I'm doing something right. So aaj tak bhi, when I go to do a bride, even today, I always sit and think about, or when I feel low, I sit and think about my first bride. So that has definitely, that definitely has a special place in my heart. So that is the most memorable for me till date, honestly. Yeah.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you had to choose just one makeup for the rest of your life, what product would that be?
I'm a very blush person. Like, I love a loud blush. And a lot of people also tell me that, your blush is always like the strong game. So I would never want a blush to like run out of. I have a blush in my bag. I have a blush in my car. I have a blush in my vanity, in my bathroom. I would have a blush even in the letterbox, maybe नीचे की, जाते जाते if I want one, so I would just like pull it out. कई बार ऐसे होता है, कि चाबी के साथ blush भी रखा है वहाँ पे. So blush is something I don't walk out without. Yeah. Summers, winters, maybe whatever. A lot of people might say it's too loud. A lot of people might say that, it's too much pink.
Yeah.
But it's just something I love. Again, it's something that gives me confidence.
Confidence.
Yeah.
I asked myself also the same thing when I was writing. I was like, what would it be for me? Then it turned out I like mascara a lot.
Yeah, you have beautiful lashes. And I'm sure, like, I don't have such gorgeous lashes.
Thank you.
So I have to apply fake ones. But if you have beautiful lashes like yours, a good mascara just uplifts them. See, it's the whole face. Yes, of course.
I never used to
Widens your eye.
Ah,
Yeah.
but these small things,
Yes.
detailing can
Yeah.
add so much glamour on
Yeah.
the face.
See, it's such a good point.
Okay, so moving on to the next segment.
Mhm.
How do you think the beauty industry can help in breaking the stereotypes and promote inclusivity, especially when it comes to, those beauty standards?
Yeah. So nowadays, I would say that the beauty brands have broken the stereotype to a certain level for sure. आप आज मार्केट में जाते हैं तो you will see a wide range of colors that are available for every skin tone जो कि पहले नहीं था. As a makeup artist also, I remember mixing two colors, mixing two foundations and making a shade for a bride or a client. But आज if I go to the market, I see कि एक available tone, एक available color है for every skin type. So I feel that we have broken a lot of stereotype already, and we are moving only and only towards more inclusivity. And if I give you an example, say suppose if you pick up a Rare Beauty. Now, what Rare Beauty has done, whose owner is Selena Gomez, what she's done is if you see her bottles, they have a very unique round cap to it.
Right.
So she has specially designed those caps for people who have arthritis problem, because their fingers are so stiff, and it's difficult for them to open an edgy object or something which is difficult. So you see, the idea that has been put behind a brand for a specific clientele tells a lot about how we've grown as a beauty industry. So I would say that हम काफी दूर तक आ चुके हैं, थोड़ा और दूर अभी जाना है. So we should not stop this process. And whether you're a person who's struggling with this thought in your mind, ki, I'm not the perfect shade according to the beauty standards, there is no beauty standards. It's all about what you make them for you. So you describe a standard for yourself, and then you tell the 10 people around you, ki, this is what it is. And this is how I accept myself, and this is how I'll make sure that you accept me one day.
Right.
So we're doing good, I feel. We're a lot better than what we were a few years back.
So, can you tell me about a time when you helped a client change her perception towards herself?
Definitely. I call it the two shade lighter, two shade darker syndrome. It's something that I invented during my journey. When I started going to clients, I realized that the demands that I was having was like I would suggest them a shade, and they would be like, ठीक है, ये shade perfect है, अब इससे 2 shade lighter कर दो.
क्योंकि बुरा लगना है.
Correct. And I'm like, okay, I really want to understand what makes you think that मैं इस स्किन टोन को अगर 2 शेड लाइटर कर दूँगी तो यू विल लुक एज़ ब्यूटीफुल एज़ यू वुड लुक इन योर एक्सिस्टिंग कलर. नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता. आई हैव हैड दिस डिस्कशन विद माय इन-लॉज़, आई हैव हैड दिस डिस्कशन विद माय हस्बैंड, एंड ये आपको करना है. दैट्स व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड द कांसेप्ट ऑफ ट्रायल मेकअप. एंड आई डिसाइडेड कि यार यहाँ कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है. एंड सी, इवेंचुअली इफ दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट, it is my job to deliver it to you, but I'm unhappy with it. I'm very unhappy with it, and you are also unhappy with it, because by the end of it, आप शीशे में देख के you are like, I'm not looking like me. वो एक लेमैन टर्म है ना कि भूत की तरह तो नहीं बना दोगे. ये बहुत एक रियलिटी है ये. बिकॉज़ देयर वाज़ अ टाइम व्हेन समबडी वुड टेल समबडी कि आप 2 शेड लाइट कर दो, और वो कर भी देते थे, और वो मेकअप भी कर देते थे. एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, ओह माय गॉड, हम तो भूत की तरह लग रहे हैं. बिकॉज़ आप लगोगे ना. Your undertone is different, your skin tone is not natural. That's when I started the concept of trial makeup. And I said, hey, calm karo, forget about the main day. Let me just fix a date with you, and let me just give you what I feel is good for you as an artist. And it really helped me shape a lot of mindset of a lot of people around me. And then it's a word of mouth. फिर एक वो बात फैलनी धीरे-धीरे स्टार्ट हो गई कि ओके, सृष्टि मेक्स यू लुक लाइक हाउ यू आर. And that was my aim. That was my goal eventually. Now, when I go to someone, they're like, I don't want to have any discussion with you. You do what you feel is best. I want to look like me. So, this is a shift I have seen in my journey from I want to look like this to I want to look like me. This is commendable.
This is an empowering story in itself.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, when after 20-25 makeups, I saw that, okay, maybe a little communication with somebody actually helped me shape their ideology about themselves. I felt really powerful. Like, I felt, oh my God, I've done something right. And I was doing it out of pure and genuine intentions of कि क्यों लगना है आपको? क्यों? Like, क्यों करूँ मैं? मैं कर दूँगी. I will do it. So I do half and half face. And I show them because किसी को outright wrong बोलना is also bad. You have to understand कि जो सामने वाला बोल रहा है, वो क्यों बोल रहा है. So to prove something to them कि this is not right, you have to show them why it's not right. So I do half a face of what they're saying and half a face of what I'm saying. And that's when they realize that, oh my God, it would have been a blunder, right? So that's when I say that the beauty lies within yourself, it lies within what you have. उसे enhance करो, ज़रूर करो. As a makeup artist, it's my job, and I would only and only promote you to do makeup, to put on makeup, feel good about yourself, but about yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Right. So, how do you think makeup artists can play a role in promoting body positivity?
So again, see, body positivity is also something which is, it has been suppressed for many, many years. I personally, if I tell you my story, I've always been a very healthy kid. And my journey has not been easy. Being a healthy child in the early 90s, I'm a 91 born. So that time there was this societal pressure. Matlab, somebody has just started going to school, started going to college, and the conversations were always like, abhi theek kar dete hain because shaadi nahi hogi. It's going to be very difficult to find a boy for her. And I was a little different. And so was my family. And I was always like कि मतलब my perspective was कि आप ऐसे दिखते हो because आप खाते पीते खानदान के नहीं हो, but मैं हूँ. And my mom told me कि ये बोलना भी गलत है. You can't tell somebody कि okay, you're like that. But that's when I asked my mom. I said, okay, they can tell me, but I can't tell them. So this has to stop. And that also sparked something in my mom, and she took a stand and she made me realize slowly and gradually that it's fine, it's okay, be a healthy eater, don't be obese or don't be like your health is going in a different direction, but God has made me in such a way that he probably likes to see me like that. So it's high time that I like to see myself like that as well. And makeup was one of those portions that helped boost my confidence, because I was always told that, okay, you have nice features and, you have big eyes.
Yeah.
So I thought, अच्छा, शायद मेरे बॉडी पे से नज़र हटाने के लिए मैं मेकअप कर लेती हूँ. So what will happen कि जो फोकस है ना वो मेरे चेहरे पे रह जाएगा तो बॉडी से हट जाएगा. Then again my mom caught hold of me on one day. She's like, this is wrong. This is not right. You have to tell yourself. This is a journey I've taken myself. And today I reach a point where I'm like, I can dress well, I can eat well, I can look proper, and I can just walk out with confidence and tell people that this is how God has made me, this is how I am. There is no harm in gaining or losing 5 to 10 kgs up and down. वो तो life cycle है ना. You can't have like broccoli all your life. You can't even have chole bhature all your life. You have to balance. It's all about balance. So makeup empowered me to get over my body issues, and that's how I resonate with makeup and body positivity together. कि एक balance create करो. If you feel that you're lacking somewhere, तो pick up some other aspect of your life. But just be composed. Find yourself somewhere. Like I always tell everyone that, every child has baby fat. My baby fat never decided to leave me. It's fine. So, it's just the positive thought behind who you are and how you are. And that's how the circle around me also, they were like, हाँ बात तो सही है. ठीक है, like she looks nice like this only. So why not? That's how the mindset changes. It changes from home. Yeah, it changes from within you. Then you share it with someone. Then someone teaches you nicely. Your family is a big support. Your husbands, your in-laws, your parents, grandparents, everyone. It's like a Mili Bhagat, I say.
हाँ.
So share karo. Try and share your problems out with people. Don't like just keep them inside and be like, this is societal pressure.
I think we should be so confident in ourselves that nobody should be able to tell us how we're supposed to feel.
Right.
Yeah. We
Right.
should just embrace ourselves how
Definitely.
and fall in love with ourselves.
That's important. That's important, you know?
Self love is very important.
Yes. Like nowadays, if I try and join this with the makeup brands, I would say if you see the marketing strategy of makeup brands today, they're all celebrating Valentine's Day, love is in the air and everything. But what are they actually taking out? They're taking out maybe like a lip combo, maybe like a blush palette. And what are they promoting? They're promoting for you to use it so that you feel good about yourself. So Valentine's has also now changed to a perspective that I love myself,
Yeah.
right? So society is helping you also. It's up to you whether you just want to go down the negative road or you just want to find a little positivity and be like, अच्छा ये रास्ता better है, इस पे चलते हैं. So it's like that.
So, Shrishti, are you planning to undertake any initiatives for women empowerment? Maybe through makeup or in any way?
Right. I'd just like to tell a little about myself here. When I started this journey of influencing, this word influencer got attached to me a few years back. And the only thing I knew about makeup influencing was that I have to tell the audience about the makeup products, what is new in the market, what is good in the market, because trust me, makeup is an expensive field and products are expensive. I do not wish for people to just invest in something which is genuinely not good in the market just because their marketing strategy is good. So when the word influencer stuck to me, I realized that I have a bigger power and there are people who are hearing me. I have a loving family of followers who follow me, who watch what I do. And I felt that, you know, maybe I can have a bigger voice to this. That's when I started working towards vocal for local as well. And I worked my way through. I became the face of vocal for local also. And I promoted a lot of local brands, women oriented brands. I picked up a lot of my influencers and I said, why not gather your energy and your time and your money and, you know, walk towards this area also. So this had nothing to do with makeup as per se, but because makeup made me an influencer one day, I thought, why not take this other aspect of influencing as well? So when I talk about women empowerment, I do that side on my page as well. I also promote businesses that are women oriented. I talk about females who are trying to do little bit maybe from home or something. I like to promote their products on my page as well. I also share them with my influencer community and friends, and I kind of hope for them to purchase from them also. I'm not saying that you know, where you can put or you can't put your money, but what's the harm in helping, you know, somebody who's really gathered the courage to get out of home and do something? So that's how I do women empowerment in my own team. If I come back to makeup, I employ as many females as I can. I have a female hair artist. I have a female person who helps me drape the saris, the lehengas, my camera people, my light people. I always make sure that the help that is around me, I try and help as many women as I can to employ them under my banner. And that's how I think I do my bit. And I wish to do a lot more than what I already do.
Okay, I think if everybody starts doing their bit, I think this place will be a much better,
Yeah,
for women to thrive and grow.
for sure. For sure.
And you're doing wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I just wish to, continue doing this. And the love that you get and the support that you get when you help somebody who's in dire need of it, anybody, be it any gender, be it any place, any type, anything. But because we always talk about how it takes a lot more for a woman to get out and do something that she wants, when you help her, that response that I get back, it just makes my day. You know, like investing a 10 rupee in a product that she's made at home after she must have fought, I don't know, for 5 years.
Right.
You know, and when she says, like, thank you, Didi, you know, आपने मेरे से लिया, आप जैसे और भी हैं तो आप बताना.
Hmm.
That just gives me goosebumps.
Of course.
Because I'm like, why not? And that is what is to be done. I think as influencers, we have a responsibility also. And I think we should explore that as well.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, Shrishti, before we wrap up, any last message to the listeners?
All I'd like to say is that I love makeup. I love promoting the idea of makeup. I am everything about products, my vanity, how to look good, how to feel good. I love buying a lot of products. I mean, anything you name it, like I can talk about makeup all day, all year along. But at the same time, I also want to tell people that stop feeling low about yourself. Stop feeling that your mental health is not your priority. Beauty is not only what you're actually applying on your face and walking out. You have to feel beautiful from inside. And you can only feel beautiful about yourself from inside the moment you accept how you are. So stop running behind these societal pressures. Stop running behind trends that are just aggravating on these social apps for no rhyme or reason. Like you wouldn't even know somebody who's promoting something is not even using it themselves. So it's like stop looking into a window that is not of your own home. Just try and feel good about yourself. Get up one day, try a few things on yourself, look at yourself in the mirror, um, and just do something for yourself for once, and you'll see like a huge difference. And as a makeup artist, all I will say is that try as many products as you want. There is no right or wrong in makeup. Everything is fun. So, as I always say, makeup is fun and makeup is for everyone. So, just go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And whenever you need a makeup artist, we are here. So, you can just reach out to us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a lovely chat with you, Shrishti, today.
Thank
It was a
you.
peppy one. I enjoyed thoroughly, and I have so much learning to take home for myself.
I loved it. I loved it. Thank you so much for having me. I'd also want to thank Fem Forward because I think you're doing a commendable job.
Thank
Um, my story is inside me, and my story is only known to people who I know or I might want to share. But you give us a platform where we can just talk openly, and we don't know this video reaches whom, and how many people view this video. And कहीं ना कहीं अगर कोई भी कहीं भी बात किसी को छू जाती है या किसी को लग जाती है और उसका दिन बन जाता है या उसकी लाइफ बन जाती है,
There's nothing like it.
that's what you're offering to us. So I think you're doing a great job, and I think it's commendable that two of us could get together and share our story. So thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so much, Shrishti, for appreciating us and saying such kind words for us. But it's only because of the support from people like you that our platform is able to grow.
How sweet.
And I don't know, even my vision is just to make a difference to at least one life,
Yes.
maybe.
Yeah.
And my only intention to share such empowering stories is to empower others.
Yes,
Like they realize
definitely.
that, they're also full of potential. They just need to take that step.
Correct.
And it's your stories which inspire people. And you've motivated me so much today. And I just hope that this video motivates millions out there as well.
I really hope so, and I'm sure it will. And we only pray for you to just grow and grow and grow.
And
That's
the,
it.
the same feeling is
Thank you. Thank you
it's
so much.
supporting other women.
Yes, yes. All you out there, get up, go support somebody who's right next door, and you might not know that they might need that support from you. So just take that little extra effort. उनकी हिचक तोड़ो, उन्हें घर से बाहर निकालो, and आप अगर कुछ काम कर रहे हो तो उन्हें भी अपने साथ काम कराओ, नहीं कर रहे हो तो दोनों मिलके कोई काम करो. So that's about it. Just go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very well said.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shrishti.
It was so much fun. I loved it.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Thank you for tuning into this episode of Fem Forward. We hope you were inspired by Shrishti's incredible story and expertise. Please remember that beauty is not just about how you look, it's also about you embracing your own uniqueness and rocking your own style. For more such inspiring stories, stay tuned. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.